Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Microsoft Teams ads in Outlook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search and open the Outlook. So let me search here Outlook and open this application. So it will take few seconds to open. Okay, and once it is open, you simply need to click on file. Let me select this, click on file, and here you need to click on options. And once you are on that page, you simply need to find an option that is add-ins. Click on that, and here you need to click on go, and here you need to select Microsoft Teams team meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. You simply need to uncheck that option, and here you need to scroll down to see any other options related to that. So there is no option. Here you need to click on OK, and then you need to restart, and after that your issue will be resolved. So I hope by watching this video you can understand how to disable Microsoft Teams ads in Outlook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.